So I want to tell you about the library, because this information, well, my parents lived there 65 years, and they refused to move. There was a big changes taking place, and people, there was children married, they moved to the suburbs, other houses were building elevators, nicer kitchens. People started moving away, and they became Americanized English. They wanted something nicer too. So there were very few families left. But my parents would refuse to move. This is where I live, and this is where I'm going to die. So I used to come and do shopping and do the laundry, take the laundry away, because that time I was married. Well, one time I come, I see the library is all boarded up with wooden slats. I know nobody's using it, but I never saw that. So I ran to the manager and I said, "What's going on with the library?" He says, "What are you planning?" He says, "I'm planning to make a laundromat." I said, "A laundromat? What are you going to do with all the books?" He said, "Well, nobody's reading them, so I'll have to get rid of them." Well, that was something else. So I called my sister Norma. So Norma started calling Larry, because she had heard about this young man who's looking for books, Jewish books. And we had 1,000 Jewish books. And there was a Zamler we didn't know. You know what a Zamler is? A collector. We didn't know that she was still living there. She was also doing a lot of talking and getting it. But Norma had a lot to say, and he didn't put her name. And I bought his book, Outwitting History. Norma deserved it, because we met him later at a book fair. We all hugged and cried a little. Well, Norma got him to promise that he's going to come, Larry, with a van. Well, he came one day with this van after a month, before he would throw it up. The books were strewn all over. It was terrible. But there were who helped him. Now there were black children families and Puerto Rican families. The kids lined up, and they helped him get 14,000 books into his van. Do you believe this? And he mentions it from the Workers' Cooperative Colony. It was the first time. And then he told us, I remember at the Armory, that some was so rare that he didn't have a place like this. He sent it to Oxford University in England to save, because they had a treasury of Jewish books.